Hello, hello. David with Architectural Designs here, and we're at a build of 51747HZ in Connecticut. Just got up here a little while ago, had a little tour. Sadly, their beautiful new puppy has left. We were really excited and met Coda, but Patrick and I are here and we're taking a tour. It is beautiful. We're actually pretty lucky. We beat out the nor'easter that's coming up here now later this afternoon, and it's a beautiful fall day in Connecticut, and leaves are changing. We got some great colors, but I know you guys are excited about seeing this house. Again, this is 51747HZ. It's about 1,700 square feet, and we're gonna head on in and I'll give you a quick tour. We're so thankful to have the opportunity to get up here and check out this beautiful home. Definitely a popular one, and as you can see, they went with a more traditional kind of look on the outside than the renderings show. They've got vinyl siding on it, clapboard style. They got those goosenecks. Definitely a more kind of traditional new American style than the Craftsman, although keeping some of those Craftsman elements in here, and that beautiful green front door. But let's take a step inside and we'll take a look. They just moved in here not too long ago, so still getting things settled out, but thought we'd give you a show. There's Patrick. If you give us a call and ask any questions, you might meet this guy and he'll help you out. But this kitchen is absolutely incredible, which you're Patrick's showing off this custom KitchenAid lift. The homeowner's father actually built all this cabinetry down in Texas, and they shipped it up. If you got family in the business, why not use them, especially when they do work as great as this. It's absolutely stunning. And haven't gotten their kitchen table in yet, but that's going to be right here, and that's going to walk out to their back porch. They expanded this a little bit and wrapped it around on the side, but they've got a great, beautiful yard in the back, and getting the grass ready for winter and hold up for spring. So it's absolutely beautiful in this home, though. Some great beams in the ceilings. And brick backsplash. But look at these cabinets, guys, man. Absolutely stunning. We got the quintessential sliding barn doors that lead us over to the 2 spare bedrooms over here. I'll just give you a quick peek in. Got that center shared bath. And second spare bedroom in here. Got a little linen closet in the hallway on either side. Got a beautiful wood floor. It's actually a veneer vinyl, but man, it fooled me and Patrick. It looked so real. Oh, yeah. Cannot believe it. And then this beautiful shiplap mantle. Same contractor did these, this shelf here as the beams up top. Those are actually LVLs encased to look like beams. And man, it fooled me. It's beautiful. Nice gas fireplace. They actually built this on a full basement, and we'll walk over. So they did a couple modifications with this. So to my left, they actually did a front-facing garage on this instead of side entry. That's the entry to the garage. This brings us down to the basement. And this is their beautiful laundry room, mud room, landing zone. And like I said, they have a beautiful new pup. And this is a little space that they carved in here and expanded a little bit and added space for the dog. But beautiful tile work on the back, those floors throughout. And then we got master in here. They actually popped out. I love this. They popped out the back and made a beautiful kind of bay window in there, added a couple extra feet. And this bathroom is, man, it's what dreams are made of. Beautiful, beautiful bathtub, freestanding, gigantic closet for all those ladies out there. Lots of shoes, lots of bags. And this also has a sliding barn door that they did. Another small closet in there. This pop on some of these. You gotta see this tile on the floor here. Again, this is 51747HZ. Check out the plan. They did a little bit, made it their own, but absolutely beautiful. And just over 1,700 square feet, heated living space. And we're in Connecticut here. Lucky enough to be able to take a quick tour and show it off to you. This out in the hallway is also super cool. We got a little pantry in here, keep some extra food. They got plenty of cabinet space in that kitchen, but a little wine cellar collection in here, and it's looking great. Hope you guys enjoy this home. It's 51747HZ. We'll definitely grab this video. We're gonna be taking a bunch of pictures in here and post them online, and you'll see the client album. This is 51747HZ in Connecticut. Wave to the fans, Patrick. If you need any questions answered, Patrick, myself, Deirdre, Kitty, John, we'll help you out. Just give us a call, shoot us an email. Happy to help you out. Have a great day, guys.